I always think that quitting can be a good thing when the timing and reasons are right. Unfortunately, our society thinks that quitters are losers because quitting is all about giving up. But remember that there's also an upside to quitting, and that is the faster you leave a company that treats you like garbage, the faster you can move on to another one that can really set you up for success. This is what we call as the opportunity cost. The time and effort wasted waiting for a miracle could have been used for another company that can treat you like a rock star. So leave if you need to leave, change if you need to change, and move if you need to move so you can fast track your career towards success. And when you do, remember to exhaust all objective solutions first before you make that decision. Good luck. My latest book, Fast Forward, is now available in all leading bookstores. For more information, log on to jonathanyabut.com.